Welcome again. In this chapter, we are going to see some commands related to monitoring the processes and memory. The details about the memory utilization of the system can be found through certain commands in Linux. Following are few of the commands. The first command is top, which is table of processes. It shows the real-time view of running processes and also displays kernel managed tasks. It also provides summary info about resource utilization, including CPU and memory usage. Let's see the top command in action. Just type top. Now, here you can see at the top we have time and then up to how much time our VM is running, how many users we have, and the load average of the VM. The second row is the number of tasks, how many are running, and then how many are sleeping and stop. Third is the percentage of the CPU used. You can see here. The fourth is the memory usage. You can see our total is this much and this much is free and this much is used and around this much is our buffer and cache. The fifth row is swap memory. Here this much is there total and that many are free. If you notice the below section that represent the real time information about the process and its resource utilization. For example, our first column is process ID, the second is username. Here you can see this shows the memory percentage utilization. The percentage CPU column represent the utilization of CPU in percentage for each processes. This S represent the state of the process like sleep, running, okay, and this res represent the resident memory, which is the actual memory used by the process, and the word is basically the virtual memory used by the process. And then pr is basically the priority of the process, while ni is the nice value of the process. These values are used by the operating system to schedule the process execution. Let's get out of the top command, press Q. Now on the similar line we have htop, which is basically a command line utility which allows the user to interactively monitor the system vital resources. Let's run the htop command. You can see it is not present in our system. So let's install it, sudo apt install and then htop and then -y to basically accept all the prompt. Here you can see our htop is installed. Now run the htop command. Here you can see it just shows the information in more graphical way and more improved way. Rest of the details are same as we have seen in the top command. To get out of the htop screen, press Q. Now let's proceed to the next section, which are memory related commands. Linux provide free command to show the summary of RAM usage. This command helps monitor the resource usage and allows the admin to determine if there is enough memory for any new programs or not. Let's run this command. Free. Here you can see we have total memory and then how many used and how much we have free and how much are there in the cache. So total is around this much we have available. And if you use free -m, then the memory details are shown in MB. That's all in this chapter. Thanks for watching. In the next chapter, we are going to see how to compress and archive files and directories through command line.